I've been trading for more than 30 years, and if I've learned one thing, it's this. Trading draws intelligent people, but humbles nearly everybody. People believe success in this endeavor is knowledge, the right indicator, the right mentor, the right setup, but it isn't. It's control, emotional control, behavioral control, remaining consistent when all of you wants to disintegrate, and that's why becoming profitable is so difficult. At first glance, trading is easy. You glance at a chart, spot a trend, place a trade, apply some risk rules, clean, logical, mathematical. But all that logic? It vanishes the moment real money's on the line. Suddenly, what looked like a setup feels like a trap. What felt like a solid entry starts to feel wrong. You hesitate, you second guess, you abandon your plan, because now you're not just seeing price action, you're seeing your fear, your hope. You break rules, you give it all back. Most traders don't lose due to the strategy not working. They lose because they failed, emotionally, when it mattered. And here's something nobody ever discusses. Actual trading, professional trading, is boring. You wait and wait, sometimes for days. Nothing aligns, no edge, no clarity. And the right move? Do nothing. But most traders can't do that. They need the action. They need that dopamine rush. So they force trades. They talk themselves into thinking there's something there. When there's nothing, and that one habit, it wrecks more accounts than any market crash ever could. Your self-worth, flashing on the screen with every tick, and this is where most people go wrong. They think the enemy is the market, but the real enemy is within. Your brain wasn't built for trading, it was built for survival. See red on your screen? Your instincts scream, get out, save yourself, fix it. That's why people move stops. Close trades too early, revenge trade. On the flip side, you're in profit, and suddenly your brain says, double down, you're on fire, go bigger. That's when greed takes over. As if you truly want to succeed in this game, you require more than a plan. You require a shift in identity. You must become somebody who can lose without responding, who can walk away without pursuing, who can wait for weeks without forcing. And that is not natural. It requires rewiring your brain, your daily routines, your money relationship. Most traders never make that effort. They just continue purchasing new tools, new courses, new systems, all to not have to face themselves. But profitable trading? It's not about tools. It's about self-discipline. Discipline, not dopamine. Repetition, not reinvention. There are no shortcuts. No mentor can provide you with patience. No indicator can provide you with self-control. No signal will rescue you if you constantly break your own rules. Everyone's searching for the next thing. But there is no next thing. There's only this. Show up, follow your edge, and control yourself day after day, even when it's dull, even when it's difficult. That's what makes a profitable trader. Not magic, not motivation, mastering. So why is it so difficult to become profitable? Because it requires you to become a different type of person, not more intelligent, not quicker, calmer, more centered, more consistent. And to be that person, you're going to experience frustration, self-doubt, silence. Even moments of wondering if you're cut out for this type of thing. That's normal. Every successful trader has gone through it. But the ones who succeeded, they didn't work harder. They didn't trade more. They simplified. They slowed down. And they stopped chasing. They learned to treat this like a business, not a casino, not a video game, not a shortcut to freedom. Becoming profitable is not one big breakthrough. It's 1,000 tiny decisions, done the right way, over and over again. Especially when nobody's watching. It's trusting your edge, trusting your process, trusting yourself. That's the real work. And if you're willing to do it, not for a week, not for a month, but as long as it takes, then profitability is possible. But if you're not willing to change, no strategy in the world will save you.